Want to use your bank account directly with Klarna for easy payments? In this guide, I'll show you the simple and secure process of linking your bank account to your Klarna profile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Linking your bank can be a great way to manage your payments, and it only takes a minute. Let's get it set up. First, open your Klarna app and make sure you're logged into your verified account. Once you're on the main dashboard, tap on the profile icon or the Account tab, usually at the bottom right of the screen. From there, navigate to Payment Methods. This is the central hub for all your linked cards and bank accounts. Look for an option that says Add Bank Account or Link Bank Account. Now, for the linking process. Klarna uses a secure, encrypted service called Plaid to connect to your bank. When you tap Add Bank Account, you'll be presented with a list of major banks. Simply find and select your bank from this list. You'll then be prompted to log into your online banking directly through the secure portal. This is how Klarna verifies your account without ever storing your login details. You'll enter your bank's username and password, and often confirm your identity with a two-factor authentication code sent by your bank. Once successfully linked, you'll see a confirmation message, and your bank account will appear as a payment method. You can now choose it for your down payments or for paying off your Klarna statements. And that's all there is to it. You've just added an extra layer of flexibility to your Klarna account. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Do you prefer using a bank account or a card with Klarna? Let me know your preference in the comments below. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.